So today I had one of those days where you feel like you're getting 2 steps forward, but you're really just getting at a stumbling block. Homeschooling is for real. When you think your child is at the level and you can do it, you sit in a class and you realize that it's a lot more challenging than you think. Today I realized that it is more than just a workout, it's a life change. I had stumbled with emotional eating, I had stumbled with self-esteem, I had stumbled with life-changing things, and I realized today that I was an emotional eater. The moment I seen that my child was struggling, I started struggling, and the way that I filled myself so much today, I honestly had to come to you and tell you that I was stuck. And the fact that I was so stuck, I realized that I'm an emotional eater, and that's how I gained all this weight. So moving forward, I know what I need to do to get out of this stumbling block that I'm achieving. I gotta conquer my goals, and I know what I need to do to conquer them. The result of me emotionally eating today, I wasn't able to run my miles that I usually run. I was not able to keep up with my trainer. I was not able to basically self-push that I would normally be able to push myself like I normally can. So I'm just letting everybody know you're not alone. I'm an emotional eater, and I'm sure there's people out there that don't want to speak about it, but we can do it and we will do it together. Here's my little man that is going to take the forward steps to do better in school, because homeschooling is not easy. So I'm just coming out to you guys to give you that support that I need. So I'm supporting you guys too, and we're gonna do this together. I love you guys. Thanks at Yoshi Arts Center and Fitness. Thanks for Zayden for being a good boy. And make sure you check out Clip Coupons. Love you guys. Mwah.